We therefore call upon the Sangguniang Kabataan Federation President Honorable Richard de la Cruz Gaza Jr. to tender his irrevocable resignation from his position as the President of the Sangguniang Kabataan Federation of Angeles City in order to allow new leadership that can restore trust, strengthen unity, and effectively represent the youth sector.
Kukulait lareng 27 sangguniang kabataan chairperson king siyudad na ning Angeles para king agaran at irrevocable resignation ng kasalukuyan na Sangguniang Kabataan Federation President ay Richard de la Cruz Gaza Jr. King binasang manifesto of support inyang March 18, pepasyag dareng kaya nakang leader na dapat makabasing pamamuntukan king competence, transparency, accountability at genuine public service. Agpang kareng opisyal ning SK, maulaga ing papil na ning Sangguniang Kabataan Federation bilang opisyal na boses dareng 33 SK Councils king syudad. Inyamo, mangay nakano ing tiwala king liderato nung apapakibatan ning pamangailangan dareng youth sector.
The main issue po is one of the big factor na mandated po sa DILG circular po is yung pagse-celebrate po ng kabuuang linggo ng kabataan sa Angeles City. Last year po, we have a action plan, everything po, nakasettle na po kami lahat dyan. Then nag-end up po siya na wala pong nangyaring linggo ng kabataan sa Angeles City. Not just po yung pong programa na yon at yung activities na ginagawa po namin, meron din pong mga lapses when it comes to the general session of the Sangguniang Kabataan Federation of Angeles City.
Makanini naman ing meging description da kang Gaza, ren kaparang kaya nakang leader.
Kung i-describe po namin yung sa leadership niya po is a very weak leadership po. Hindi niya po kami kayang ipag-isa. Hindi niya po kami kayang ipagsama-sama.
Dinikdik dareng signatory ing balaos kanong ineffective leadership ama ka-apekto kano king kredibilidad at misyon ning organisasyon. Inya kailangan kano ing agara na pamagbayo king pamamuntukan bang isubli ing tiwala at pamisasan metong dareng kayanakan.
The past few years po na makaluklok kami na, we have lobbied several resolutions po para di na pong solusyon rin problema dareng SK kareng-kare lang barangay na. So, most of us are maka-experience kami pong problema karing kaya kaming barangay na linabi mi po kaya kaming presidente para aso pa na kami po ne. But panya pong sasabihan na po kaya kami noted on that, sige panigobran tayo, but nothing really happened ne. Pila na pong beses yan, not only in my barangay na may lobby kami pong resolutions or what, pero nothing happened. In short, as in no actions at all to our concerns po na dapat dinan na pong pansin.
Whenever we raise concern po with regards sa mga budget ng mga barangay ng SK Council, no? May mga kasama po kasi kaming mga SK Council na hindi po nabibigay or hindi po nabibigay mga allotment ng budget sa kanila. And we raised this concern to him and wala pong nangyari until now. Parang since siya po ang representative dapat naming mga youth, hindi po ito na-raise sa mas mataas or hindi po nabigyan ng focus yung ganun. Kahit letter lang po yung hiningi namin sa kanya, wala pong naibigay.
King Panalwi, tinimid dareng SK chairperson sing karelang pamanalakaran para king integridad, accountability at mas epektibong representasyon dareng kayanakan king syudad na ning Angeles.
We want to show the future young leaders of Angeles City na pag kikwa may posisyon, you should take responsibility. Kasi if we continue na let it slide, it's okay, he's doing nothing. Baka itang next generation makantapin akwa ng mindset. And that's not what we want. No? We want to change their mindset. It's not okay to be ineffective.
Samantala, balaos na naman panikwanan ning GNN-TV 44 ning pasyag na ning SK Federation President Gaza kapamilatan ning kayang cellphone number at social media accounts. Inyamo ang gaking salukuyan alapang pakibat keti. Makabuklat naman ning kaya kaming istasyon king nanumang statement o pasyag ibat kang Gaza. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.